Knowetop's at the top of a very steep hill called Castlehill Road, and people from Knowetop, the teenage boys usually, and sometimes younger than that, used to fight with boys for Castlehill Road, you know. And it was called the battleground, but it became, over time, it became a dumping ground. We decided we needed to do something about it, you know.
This is a kind of site that you see something develop week by week. There will always be something new appear, and I think from seeing the original pictures and from the community farm, which apparently was really well loved and well used, that I think it's something that is really appreciated by local folk.
From seeing the site from scratch, like from nothing to what it is now, is absolutely amazing. The amount of work that Claire, the volunteers, anyone that has worked here has put into it is absolutely amazing.
Clifftop Projects got involved with the community consultation element of making a new public artwork here at Knowetop. So I ran some workshops at the Wellbeing Group and at both Derrick and St Michael's primary schools. We looked at the ideas of community activism and what we as individuals can do for our community, and also thought about what Knowetop represents and what a public artwork here should look like or should be. So themes that came out through those consultations and those workshops were about individuals being a part of something bigger, and also the idea that the artwork should be in some way interactive, that people could really interact with it and be a part of the artwork, and the artwork be a part of the site rather than something separate that just sort of like plonked in. So it was then great to give these ideas, all the kids' sketches, all the kind of themes and wants of the community to Mark to make the incredible sundial that you see today.
First we thought about putting numbers on. Of course there's various problems with that, and we thought it's a quirky site. We want it to be something that's quirky and creative and different. So we decided to put the different birdsong on, so it can literally be goldfinch, 10 past goldfinch, 20 to magpie, and it's really just, you're slowing down, you're just looking at a certain point, you've got it in your head, right, I'm going to stop for coffee at that point, I'm going to stop for lunch at that point, I'm going to go home at that point, and that's pretty much the Knowetop day, because we don't really focus on time as much. And having something like this helps you tune into nature more. We are surrounded by birdsong, we're surrounded by all kinds of wildlife and insect life, and we feel that it fits in so well with the site. It's all about slowing down, relaxing, slowing your breathing down. It's a very friendly place. I've been here for 2 years now and it feels like 3 months, and I think it's very much in keeping with the site and the ethos.
I'm actually able to go out and able to socialise again and be around people, whereas when I wasn't coming to the group, I felt like I can't leave my own house. We're here to support you, to make you feel good, to make you feel happy and wanted, which is the whole point of Knowetop.